Play-Doh.
Okay, get started.
Okay, get started already. So I'm going to push. Push. I'm going to do again. Now, did you see the Play-Doh movie of Lolo? Did you see a movie of the Play-Doh movie?
That's what this is. You're making a Play-Doh movie.
Yeah, it's a Play-Doh movie. You put some Play-Doh in here and squeeze it. Oh, French fries. Like that. Oh. You know, you make it. Watch this, everyone. So did you see a movie of making Play-Doh? But they're still here and there. Watch. Wait, I use it. Now this one. Whoosh. Nice one. Did the movie. Loki. Stop doing my show. Stop wiping your stuff. Push. I'm sorry. What's that? You always get in my way.
She's not putting Play-Doh inside.
I'm not going to do with her again. Now I'm going to put some Play-Doh. No, I'm going to put some Play-Doh in there. And get some Play-Doh over the field. And let's see with this Play-Doh. The French fries. I'm okay. So we're gonna make our ham. Lolo. I'm gonna make some Play-Doh with some sandwich. Where should I put some? Yeah. I got some. The fries. I got the fries. So I got to do it again. Now, put it back. Now, all I'm going to do is put them Play-Doh inside. Now, no time to put on my Play-Doh. Now, I just, there's different shapes. So we're going to put inside into here. And I'm going to no taking it on my Play-Doh.